If you studied accounting some years back, you did not really practice, you have forgotten everything, and you wish to come back to the industry, you wish to have updates on taxes, accounting softwares, you just need to upgrade. If you studied accounting and you are still scared of real accounting work, or you do not have confidence, you are not sure of yourself, you do not know where to start and how to go about the whole accounting work, this message is for you. Accounting graduates are failing in companies and nobody talks about that. Nobody tell them why. Accounting graduates are failing in companies and nobody told them why. If you think Sage or QuickBooks or any other accounting software will save your accounting career, you have been lied to. You graduated in accounting, you know theory, you are still confused when placed in a real company, you have fear of DSF, tax declarations, audit, you can't confidently handle a company alone, feels embarrassed asking basic questions at work. I know this because I was there. I graduated thinking I knew accounting. I saw classmates thinking less of themselves and taking cheap and low paid jobs. I saw them going for 2 years internship and not still knowing how to prepare financial statements or how to manage a company as an accountant. I saw them having fear to apply in international companies and not being able to learn international work because of lack of confidence. This lack of confidence is simply lack of practical experience, lack of someone to bring them to the realities of the field. I can keep giving you reasons on and on. The problem is not intelligence, the problem is not laziness, the problem is education practice gap. The problem is that nobody teaches you how accounting is actually done in companies in Cameroon. You think learning softwares alone will fix this? These ones. Without understanding accounting logic, softwares only helps you make mistakes faster. That's why PROFFEST created the computerized accounting bootcamp, not a course, not a lesson, but a bootcamp where you are given the chance to practice bookkeeping, real company scenarios, DSF, tax, payroll, reporting exactly the way it is done in real life situation on the field. We are going to teach you how to use accounting softwares properly, Sage, QuickBooks, and Excel. Use correctly for the daily tracking of expenses, revenues, and everything. You are going to be able to computerize a business by yourself. Cameroon context, purely Cameroon context, and how to handle equally international companies. If you are still watching till this level, it means you really want this. But every year you delay this, you delay your confidence, your income, your growth. Another DSF session will come. International opportunities will come soon again. The possibility for you to become the accounting consultant you dream of, you keep postponing it. Business opportunities to advise companies on accounting softwares, to implement and to computerize will come again. But will you still be guessing? Are you going to be part of the accounting consultants that will come out of this next bootcamp? There are limited seats. This is so that we can make a proper follow-up of the few people who dare to take this engagement. The training will take place for 4 months on site. There is also an online pre-recorded session if you are not might be in Yaoundé and more, might be you are even in Yaoundé and you do not have maybe the possibility to come on site and the train, maybe because of work, maybe because of school, or maybe because you're busy. There's also an online session. You can look on the description below and see more details about the online session. But the value of this training has always been 400,000 francs. Yes, but for the first 10 to make their registration with 25,000 francs before the below deadline, will pay only 50%, just 200,000 francs in two installments within the 4 months training instead of 400,000 francs. Within the deadline that you see below, the first 10 people to register will get this training for 200,000 francs. Please remember, past this deadline, you will not benefit this discount again. Additional bonuses you get out of this training are things like we are going to give you as bonus the Sage software license, our complete Excel course on how to build automated programs, plus an automated payroll management system built by PROFFEST. If you are serious about becoming a confident, employable, and respected accountant, click on the link below and read the details. And see you in class.